just want to know that you're well. Oh, in this world, it's just us.
The Photon Traveler X automatic transmission is designed to have more offerings when it comes to van amenities, with aircon vents from front to back and safety features like individual seat belts to all passengers. Not only that, it offers a comfortable ride for its passenger but also an easier, convenient handling to its driver. May we request Sir Levi Santos, Sir CJ, Sir Jude to unveil the Traveler automatic transmission. Please, sir. Countdown muna tayo, sir. Countdown. Go! Magka-countdown muna tayo.
Your attention.
Countdown.
The show starts in 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ayan na! Handa na ba kayo?
1,
Go!
go!
Traveler Automatic Transmission! Pwede nyo na pong makita ang loob.